Now let's discuss about many-to-many relationship. So till now we have discussed about one-to-many relationship that can happen from lookup relationship, that can happen from master detail relationship, but now we are going towards many-to-many relationship. In order to create many-to-many relationship, you need to create two master detail relationship, and you need to create a junction object between these two objects in order to create two master detail relationships. We will see that practically. So one of the S object that we are using is course. Another S object which we are using is a student. A student can enroll to many courses, and a course can have many students enrolled to it. So that's why this is many to many relationship. So we have a course S object over here. We have a student S object over here. Don't get confused from students enroll. We are talking a different thing over here. We are trying to create a many to many relationship. That's why I'm taking example of students. So let's say if you go to any website and you register over there, so you are registered as a student, and in the desktop, in the main dashboard, you see many courses, and once you enroll to it, then you become the students enrolled, but till that time you are still a student. So that's the difference. Now we are going to create a junction object between courses and students. So I'm creating a junction object. Let me name it as student course junction. I'll click on launch new tab and save. I'll click on next. I'll select one tab style. I'll click on next. And save. So student course junction is my junction object. I'll create two master detail relationship associated with this junction object in order to create many to many relationship between student and course. Go to new, click on master detail relationship. Related to, it has to be course at one point of time and student at another point of time in order to create many to many relationship. So I'll select course. Similarly, I'll create another master detail relationship, and from our previous video we know that there are just maximum two master detail relationship we can create in a particular S object. So I'm creating the second one. New then master detail relationship, then next, then related to, this time we will select student, click on next, yeah, now the two relationships have been created, master detail. And now if you go to any student object, so let me go to the student object. So over here I have this students as object, and I'm having the course or courses as object, and I'm going to create few records of students as object and few records of courses. So few records of students, few records of courses, and then we will see how to link them. So let's say if a new user comes in, name of this student is, so I'm preparing the login ID of this student Varshit Bhatia, and graduation degree anything BTech I'll write and click on save. So I've created one student record. So if I go to all, I'll see this newly created student record. I'll create another student, Divya Nagar, and graduation degree is BTech, and click on save. So over here there is another record that we have created of the students record, and on refresh I see there are two records. Now I'll probably close these two and I'll go to the course. I'll create two courses similarly. So first course again I'll create of Java, and another course I am creating of Salesforce. I'll go to all, and here I see two courses that are there. So now I have created two students and two courses. Now how to link them using like we have created two master detail relationship on student course junction object. So we will go to open these. I'll open the Vinagar student. I'll go to the related tab, and here I see student course junction. So I'll have to create a relation between these two. So the Vinagar student is already selected. Student course name can be anything. Junction I'll say 1, and course I'll enroll Divinagar to Java and click on save. And similarly, so if you can see over here in the related list, junction 01 has come, which is the Java course, nothing but the Java course. If I can edit this page layout to see Java course over here only, so I'll go to the objects, I'll open the page layouts, I'll edit this page layout. In the page layout itself, I can go to the related tab. So here is the related tabs, and I can click on the setting kind of icon, and then I can say what is its course name. So course name is at the first. This is the course name, and where is the okay, this is related to student, and we can get the course name over here, so that's fine. Yeah, we are good with this. I'll scroll a bit down and save this record. click on OK, click on save of the page layout. So if I now refresh this particular screen, I must see in the related list the course name as well. So I'll go to the related tab, student course junction, and here I see the Java name. So from student Divya, I can go to the related tab and get to know that he is already enrolled in the Java course. Now what if I want to enroll him to the Salesforce course as well? I'll click on new. I'll say student junction 002. I'll select course name. I'll select as Salesforce, and student is again Divya. I'll save this record. I'll go to Divya, and over here, if I again refresh this, okay, this is already refreshed. I can see Java and Salesforce over here associated with student Divya. And similarly, I'll do the other way around. So I'll go to the courses as object, and we have in the Java, if I go to the related tabs, I can see student course junction. I'll again edit this page layout because I already know that Divya is associated with this particular course Java. So I'll go to the page layout and just include that field, student field in it. Click on edit. Okay, I'll go to the related in the page layout itself. Yeah, I'll open this one, student course junction, and in the student course junction I need to have the student name. Yeah, this is the student name. And the last, I'll click on OK. I'll click on the save of the page layout. Now my page layout gets saved, and I'll refresh this page to see student name over here. So I'll refresh this page quickly. I'll go to the related tabs of this course Java. Now I see the student name Divya. Now I'll have to create another student for it to be a many-to-many relationship. So I'll again create a new student course record. I'll enter Rajparivar, or I'll student course junction, I can say junction 003, and in student I can type Rajparivar and save this. So if you go to the related tabs of the Java course, I'll close this junction object. If you go to the so this is the Java course. I'll again reiterate in order to avoid any confusion. I'll close this, and if you can now see, I have opened a student Divya, and if I go to the related tabs of it, it has two courses assigned to it, Java and Salesforce. Similarly, if I go to the course Java and I go to the related tab, I have two students assigned to it, Divya and Varshit Bhatia. So this indicates that Divya is associated with two courses, and Java course is associated with two students, Divya and Varshit Bhatia. So between course and between student, we have achieved many-to-many relationship. That means a student can have multiple courses assigned to it, and a course can have multiple students assigned to it. So that's about many-to-many relationship in Salesforce, created by having two master detail relationship on the junction object. That's it about this video. We will meet you soon in the upcoming video. Till then, happy learning and bye bye.